Welcome to my channel. Easy way to replace ink cartridge in printer quick setup tutorial. 1. Turn on the printer. First, switch on your printer. This helps the cartridge holder move to the correct position automatically. 2. Open the printer cover. Carefully open the top or front cover of the printer to access the cartridge area. 3. Wait for the cartridge holder. The cartridge holder will move to the center. Wait until it completely stops before touching anything. 4. Check which cartridge is empty. Identify whether the black or color cartridge needs replacement. 5. Remove the old cartridge. Gently press the cartridge down and pull it out slowly. Do not use too much force. 6. Prepare the new cartridge. Take the new cartridge out of the box and remove the protective tape or cover. 7. Install the new cartridge. Insert the cartridge into the correct slot and push it firmly until it clicks into place. 8. Close the printer cover. After installing, close the printer lid properly. 9. Run alignment or setup. Some printers will automatically set up the cartridge. If not, go to settings and run alignment. 10. Printer test page. Finally, print a test page to make sure the ink is working properly. Tips. Always use genuine or high-quality cartridges. Thanks for watching.